Welcome back, traders. It's December 23, 2024, and the Forex markets are buzzing as we approach the holiday season. In today's video, we'll break down key market moves from today, analyze what's driving major currency pairs, and dive into actionable insights for the next trading day. So, whether you're prepping your trades or just keeping a close eye on the charts, stick around for some valuable analysis you don't want to miss. First, let's take a quick look at today's top-performing pairs. The Euro to US dollar pair showed heightened volatility, hitting a two-week high before retreating slightly to close at 1.0870. This was driven largely by positive consumer confidence data out of the Eurozone. Meanwhile, the US dollar to Japanese yen struggled, slipping below 147.50 as traders priced in a potential shift in Bank of Japan policy heading into 2025. And over in Australia, the Australian dollar to US dollar found support around 0.6320 after strong commodities data. What really stood out today were central bank narratives. The Federal Reserve reiterated a hawkish stance despite signs of easing inflation, which gave the US dollar some initial strength. But mixed housing data caused some late-session pullback. Across the pond, the Bank of England's dovish tone weighed on the pound, keeping the pound sterling to US dollar under 1.2150. Now, let's shift our focus to what's coming up. While December 24th is a shortened trading day for many global markets, we still have some critical events to watch. The most notable is the release of U.S. durable goods orders. This will give us fresh clues about consumer demand and economic momentum as we head into the new year. We'll also keep an eye on final GDP numbers out of Canada, which could move the U.S. dollar to Canadian dollar pair significantly. So, how should you position yourself for the next trading day? Here are three key strategies to consider. Euro to US dollar. With the euro showing resilience, consider watching for buying opportunities if it stays above the 1.0850 support level. Keep an eye on US data, though, as it could swing momentum either way. US dollar to Japanese yen. This pair is under pressure, so short positions might be favorable if it breaks below 147.20. Just be cautious of any last-minute surprises from the Bank of Japan. Pound sterling to US dollar. The pound's weakness offers potential for downside trades, particularly if the pair can't reclaim the 1.2200 level. Monitor any surprise Brexit-related headlines that could add volatility. As always, remember to trade with a solid plan and manage your risk. Markets can be unpredictable, especially as we approach year-end. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily insights. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how you're approaching the markets this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.